Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we continue our discussion on show point manipulator. So let's say we include two manipulators here. We have fixed and show point. So what the output will be. So since fixed has more decimal places compared to show point, okay. So the output that will be displayed will be followed according to the fixed value manipulator. So let's say here we have the input, okay, which with 6 decimal places, okay. So it will not truncate. It will not follow the show point manipulator. Okay, instead it will show according to the fixed manipulator format. Okay, so meaning that it will display up to 6 decimal places. Okay. Okay, we look to the next manipulator. Okay, we have C++ 14 digit separator. Okay, reading and writing long numbers can be error prone. Okay, normally we use comma to indicate the to put spaces between the long number. So however, in C++, commas cannot be used to separate the digits of a number. Okay, so C++ introduced digit separator, okay, where it represents using single quote character. Okay, so for example, we have this value, so it can be represented according to, it will arrange by 3 numbers, okay, followed by digit separator. Okay, then we have 3 numbers and followed by digit separator. Okay, so the purpose for C++ to include the digit separator because it wants a long number to be more readable. Yeah. Okay, this is our last manipulator in our discussion, set W. Okay. So the purpose of set W, it will output the value of an expression in specified number of columns. Okay, so actually W is stand for the width column. Okay, so let's say we have set W5, meaning that we want our output, okay, to have 5 columns. Okay, so let's say we input, for example, the value of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if we have set W5, meaning that we have 5 blank spaces. Okay, so C++ will output the expression by right justify, meaning that it will using the rightmost column first. Okay, so since we have 5 columns with the value of 1, 2, 3, meaning that we only need 3 columns. Okay, the remaining of 2 columns on the leftmost, okay, will be filled up with spaces. Okay, so what happens if the number of columns specified is less than the number of columns required by the output? So let's say we specify number of column equal to 5. However, we input value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, meaning that we need 7 column. Okay, so C++ will automatically expand to the required number of column. Okay, so meaning that it will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so for set W manipulator, we must include the header file IO manip. So so there are some manipulator that we don't have to include IO manip header file. Okay, but there are some manipulator that we must include header file IO manip, such as set precision and also set W. Okay, that's all for this section. Okay, thank you for watching.